Have you ever wondered what it takes to make every day a successful one? What if you could architect your day to maximize success and satisfaction? Today, we look into the secrets that can transform ordinary days into platforms of achievement and happiness. Success isn't just about reaching a destination. It's crafted through the choices and habits we embed into our daily lives. This guide will provide you with the tools to create your blueprint for a successful day, tailored to your personal aspirations and life goals. Success is a deeply personal concept, varying significantly from one person to another. For some, it might be about accomplishing a set of tasks, while for others, it could mean finding moments of joy and peace throughout the day. Start by defining what success looks like for you. Is it productivity-driven, or perhaps centered around personal well-being and relationships? By identifying what makes a day successful in your eyes, you can begin to structure your activities and goals around these core values. This approach ensures that your daily actions align with your broader life objectives, making each day a stepping stone towards fulfilling your definition of success. Understanding that success is not a one-size-fits-all concept will empower you to design days that are not only productive but also enriching. As we move forward, keep in mind that the strategies discussed are flexible and can be customized. This customization is key to developing routines and habits that resonate with your personal definition of success, fostering a sense of achievement and contentment every day. Imagine starting your day with a purpose, setting the tone that leads to a stream of accomplishments and personal satisfaction. A morning routine does exactly that. It serves as your day's blueprint. Crafting a morning routine is less about strict schedules and more about establishing a set of activities that energize and prepare you for the day ahead. Consider incorporating practices that enhance both your physical and mental well-being. Meditation or a few minutes of deep breathing can help clear your mind, while a short session of exercise like stretching or a brisk walk can invigorate your body. The key is consistency. These activities should be enjoyable enough that you feel motivated to maintain them over time. Additionally, setting clear goals each morning can direct your focus and help you prioritize tasks. This might mean writing a simple list of key tasks you want to tackle. Whatever components you choose, ensure they align with your definitions of success, creating a personalized morning ritual that propels you towards your goals. With a rejuvenating morning routine in place, the next step is to focus on what truly matters throughout your day. Effective priority setting allows you to concentrate on tasks that significantly impact your success. But how do you determine which tasks deserve your attention first? Begin by distinguishing between urgent tasks, which require immediate attention, and important tasks, which contribute to long-term goals. For instance, responding to a time-sensitive email might be urgent, while planning a project that enhances your professional development is important. Learning to prioritize effectively involves recognizing tasks that align with your personal success criteria, those that advance your goals and enrich your life. This may require you to occasionally say no to demands that don't align with your priorities, freeing up more space for what truly drives your progress and satisfaction. Each day presents new opportunities and challenges, but by establishing a strong morning routine and mastering the art of prioritization, you lay a firm foundation for daily success. These strategies not only organize your time effectively, but also ensure that you're consistently making progress towards your personal vision of success, thus transforming the quality of each day. After laying the groundwork with a solid morning routine and clear priorities, the next crucial step is cultivating a mindset geared towards success. Your attitude plays a pivotal role in how you perceive and tackle the day's challenges and opportunities. Developing a positive mindset isn't about ignoring life's difficulties, but rather equipping yourself to handle them effectively. One powerful way to maintain a positive attitude is through affirmation and gratitude practices. Starting your day by acknowledging things you are grateful for can shift your perspective to one of abundance and opportunity rather than lack and limitation. Similarly, repeating affirmations that resonate with your goals can reinforce your confidence and focus. For example, affirming "I am capable and prepared to tackle my tasks today" can boost your self-assurance and drive. Remember, a positive mindset is cultivated daily and is crucial in transforming challenges into stepping stones toward success. With a positive mindset in place, effective time management becomes your tool for making the most out of each day. Time management isn't just about filling every minute with tasks, but about optimizing your day for maximum productivity and balance. This involves understanding and respecting your personal energy cycles, planning challenging tasks during your peak energy times, and saving lower energy tasks for when you naturally slow down. Implementing techniques like time blocking can dramatically improve how you manage your day. This method involves dividing your day into blocks of time and assigning specific tasks to each block. Not only does this help in managing what you do, but also when you do it, ensuring that you're working on the right thing at the right time. Additionally, remember to schedule short breaks to recharge. These breaks are vital as they prevent burnout and maintain your overall productivity throughout the day. By mastering your mindset and managing your time effectively, you're setting yourself up for a successful day. Every day. These skills build upon each other, turning the ideal of a successful day into a practical reality that you can achieve consistently. As you master your mindset and optimize your time, another crucial skill to enhance your daily success is managing distractions effectively. In today's world, distractions are plentiful, from notifications on our devices to interruptions from our environment. Learning to minimize these disruptions is key to maintaining the focus necessary for achieving your daily goals. Start by creating a work environment that minimizes potential distractions. This might mean turning off unnecessary notifications on your phone and computer, or organizing your workspace to reduce clutter. If you find yourself frequently distracted by thoughts or unrelated tasks, try using a technique like the 2-minute rule, where you handle tasks that take less than 2 minutes immediately, helping clear your mental space. Additionally, be intentional about your breaks. Use them to truly step away from work so you can return with renewed focus. The final step in ensuring each day is a success is to reflect on your day's activities and adapt your strategies accordingly. Reflection allows you to understand what worked well and what didn't, providing valuable insights into how you can improve tomorrow. Spend a few minutes at the end of each day reviewing your accomplishments and any challenges you faced. Ask yourself what lessons you can draw and how you can adjust your approach to be more effective. Adaptation is about taking those reflections and turning them into action. Maybe you realize that you're more productive in the early morning and can adjust your schedule to tackle important tasks first. And perhaps you find that certain distractions are still slipping through, prompting you to find new strategies to mitigate them. Continuous adaptation not only improves your daily productivity, but also enhances your long-term success strategies. By actively managing distractions and reflecting on your daily experiences, you enhance your ability to stay focused and learn from each day. These practices are essential in building a sustainable routine that leads to consistent success, shaping a more effective and fulfilling lifestyle. While we conclude this video into crafting a successful day, remember that the journey towards success is both personal and evolving. What works for you today may need adjustment tomorrow, and that's perfectly okay. The strategies discussed are designed to be flexible and adaptable, allowing you to mold them to fit your changing needs and circumstances. Accept the journey of fine-tuning your day for optimal success, knowing that each step you take is a building block for a brighter, more accomplished future. Encourage yourself to experiment with the techniques shared and find what best suits your lifestyle and goals. Success is a personal journey, and by taking control of your daily actions, you are well on your way to achieving your aspirations.